Apartment moving in Miami heat. Moving into or out of an apartment in Miami can be tricky, especially in the summer. Between the heat, humidity, and tight city spaces, there's a lot more to think about than just packing boxes. At Best Miami Movers, we've helped thousands of people handle high-rise moves across the city. Over the years, we've learned that planning ahead can make all the difference. Elevator scheduling and HOA regulations. One of the first things you want to do when coordinating your apartment move is ensure elevator availability. Most Miami buildings, especially high-rises, require you to reserve the elevator for move-in or move-out day. This avoids delays and maintains the building running smoothly for others. Managing the summer heat. We take the extra step in protecting your items. Delicate electronics, instruments, or heat-sensitive objects are packed last and unloaded first. Tight spaces and city logistics. City apartment moves are all about narrow halls, busy streets, and full parking. That's where our experience really comes in handy. We've worked in every neighborhood of Miami, from South Beach to Brickell, and we know how to navigate narrow loading zones and work within building codes. Apartment moves require a different type of planning than freestanding homes. From elevator reservation appointment scheduling to dealing with HOA rules, there's a lot to factor in. If you're moving into a new high-rise in downtown or moving from an apartment in Midtown, we handle every aspect with care. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website, bestpricemovingquotes.com.